Hello guys, it's Mokube here. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to transfer photos and videos from your iPhone to your laptop or desktop. So before we begin, if it is your first time visiting our channel, do not forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell so that you'll not be missing out videos like this. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing is that you simply need to get your Type-C charger. That is your USB hub. So after that, you plug it on your PC, after which you simply plug it the other section to your iPhone. So after which a pop-up menu is going to display on your cell phone to say allow this device to access your photo and video. So you simply need to allow it. So once you're there, you simply need to click on, that is my PC. So you are going to see my iPhone. Yeah, click on it, click on internal storage. So guys, here now you are going to see the various photos and videos, but in a different, that is depending on when you took the photo and video, or depending on when you save the video to your iPhone. So it is not like it's not like Android phone where you have a certain particular folder where when you take a picture or a video, it's actually going to save. Like on iPhone, it actually creates you the various dates when you took the photo. As you can see, I actually took this video recently, so that is why you are seeing 2024, and these are photos and videos I took, that is 2029. No, that is 2019. As you can see, sorry, that is 2020, that is 2017, 2014. These are the various pictures I took. Yeah. So guys, after that, let's say you want to copy, simply click on it. You can simply say you want to copy this one, copy it, and go to your PC, create a folder. We name it photos, let's say images. Yeah. So okay, open it, you save it. So guys, that is actually the way you save photos and videos from your iPhone to your PC, yeah, without any app. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below if you face any difficulty doing this. We love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out. Yeah.